Hello guys, good morning, buen dia. Only two tickets. So, duas raspadinhas. Okay, vamos começar. Let's start. 31, 32, 31, 32. 6 euro session. I'm getting smarter. Maybe. Okay? Old fashioned way. G and D. No D. N, M and P. M, P, M, N and R. R, R, R. There's no N. O or Q? Q. Jesus in the casa. Why didn't make it like a little bit of this? Doesn't it look like O? X. There's no Q. U and H. U. U. V and B. Lot of missing letters, guys. A. Hi, it's a winner. Uma. At least it's a winner. Uma. I. S. So S somewhere. S. S. I need O. S. I need O. T. E. No L. E. Jesus, is it colors R? E. C. C, but there's no O. Okay, so this is a winner. Nice, Casa. Please don't give me coffee money. No F, no O, no L, no F, no O, no L. How much? Ay, Jesus, the same shit. Okay, coffee money, of course. Coffee money, sure, is a winner. C. Nice, Casa. Always coffee money. Okay, maybe this is a winner also. U and F. More likely isn't a winner. Even 3 euro is difficult to win. Imagine back to back. U and F. O and V. O. V. O. 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 M and G. M. Where's the fucking M? No G, no M. Jeez, there's M. Very stingy. There is. I need A to win. D. 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 I. Need E. I. 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 T. T is the useless letter. No T. Q. The second useless letter. There's no Q. P. P. R. And it N to win. But of course they don't give me. H. Useless letter. B. B is not useful. There's no B. C. B. C. There's D. I need letter A to win. J. Ay, Jesus. I need letter A to win a lot of possibilities. And give me S, of course. S doesn't help. No L. No N. No, of course. Sure, never give me letter A. Now letter A. How many wins if I have one? Only one. I know, two. Two wins. No, three. 3 wins. Supposed to be 3 wins, but no. Okay, so I got €3. As expected. Okay, so €3 donation to Portugal Lottery. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao.